Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can get Gemini 3.5 Flash for free. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Gemini website. Once you're there, sign in using your Google account. If you don't already have a Google account, you'll need to create one before continuing. After signing in, you'll be taken to the Gemini chat interface. Google often provides access to its fast Gemini models through the free version of Gemini, so check the model selection menu at the top of the chat window. If Gemini 3.5 Flash is available in your region and account, you can select it and start using it right away without paying for a subscription. To get the most out of it, type clear prompts and questions. You can use Gemini to write content, summarize information, generate ideas, help with coding, answer questions, and much more. If you don't see the model immediately, make sure your browser is updated and check whether Gemini is available in your country. That's all there is to it. Sign in with your Google account, select the available Flash model, and start using Gemini for free. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.